Hi, I'm Rick Hollowell from Copper Mountain Technologies. We're really happy to be here today at EDI CON in Santa Clara, California. We are here demonstrating some of our vector network analyzers. We're starting with a 2-port compact series VNA. This is an 8.5 gigahertz VNA. We're showing the user interface software on this laptop computer, and we're measuring a bandpass filter with it and showing the S11, S21, S22, and S12 S parameters. Also here we have our automatic calibration module, which we can use to calibrate this vector network analyzer. It's also USB enabled. And we have a couple of our 1-port reflectometers. The R60, which measures from 1 megahertz up to 6 gigahertz. And also our R180, which is our new reflectometer, which measures up to 18 gigahertz. We're also showing our Cobalt series vector network analyzers with frequency extenders. We have the C4209, which is a 9 gigahertz 2-port VNA. It has the ports capable of running these frequency extenders. This particular set is set up for 75 to 110 gigahertz. And what we've done is we've invited one of our partners, Diamond Engineering, to join us in our booth this year. And with that, we're showing this VNA along with their antenna measurement software. And this is their software interface, and this is the vector network analyzer software interface. And combined, you can do over-the-air antenna measurements. So in this display, what we're doing is, again, we've partnered with Pulse Larsen, who makes embedded antennas and many types of antennas. And we put together a I/O test set where Pulse is showing their kit of embedded antennas combined with a 1-port reflectometer and software that has been developed between the two companies to be able to optimize antenna performance for companies that need to embed antennas into their Internet of Things applications. We're very happy to be here at EDI CON with our partners, Pulse Larsen and Diamond Engineering. For more information, you can visit our website, www.coppermountaintech.com, and thank you for joining us.